दोस्तों, आपने काफ़ी लोगों को ये बात कहते हुए सुना होगा, आपने ये बात पढ़ी भी होगी काफ़ी जगहों पर कि ऐसी दुनिया में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो समय के साथ पुरानी होती हैं और पुराने होने के साथ-साथ उनकी कीमत, उनकी जो वैल्यू है वो बढ़ती चली जाती है। I'm pretty sure many of you can think of many examples. The one example which comes closest to your mind is that of wine. I do not drink, so I do not know, but I'm pretty sure many of you must be knowing the power of this sentence. But I've got many other examples, many other examples. एक एग्जाम्पल है मेरी दूसरी बुक द स्ट्रॉबेरी फार्म। द स्ट्रॉबेरी फार्म दोस्तों, ये कहानी है एक ऐसे शख्स की जो कोरोना के समय में अपना सब कुछ खो बैठता है। अपने पिताजी के द्वारा स्थापित की हुई पहली कंपनी, अपने द्वारा स्थापित की हुई दूसरी कंपनी, अपने पिताजी को, अपने माताजी को, अपने परिवार के सदस्यों को ही लूजेस देम वन बाय वन बिकॉज ऑफ वन थिंग एंड दैट इज कोरोना पैंडेमिक। दिस बुक वाज रिटन इन 2020। हमारे जो किताब के हीरो हैं, जो नायक हैं, उनकी ज़िंदगी में ये सारे डेवलपमेंट्स काफ़ी जल्दी-जल्दी होते हैं और अचानक ही उनकी पूरी दुनिया बदल जाती है। Now what happens is that this guy has got the mindset of a winner and of course he does not know it that time। इनको इसके बारे में बाद में पता चलता है कि इनके अंदर भी शक्ति थी, बट इनको कभी पता नहीं चला कि इनके अंदर में, इनके मन में, इनके शरीर में वो शक्ति है कि अपनी ज़िंदगी को बड़ा बना सकते हैं, इस हादसे के बाद में। And then he wants to run away from the life, from this world where people are mocking his habit of taking risks. People are laughing at him, they are actually not supporting him, they are ridiculing him, and people are making him as an example of a person who does not know how to lead life in a predictable manner. Just because this guy wanted to build something big, was it his fault that some pandemic came and then it closed his shops down, his business down? It was not his fault. But still, the world will try to find examples of validating what they already believed in. And what was that? To lead a mediocre life. Average life, do not take risks. I mean, that's something which you must have heard many people talking about. And then this guy goes to a jungle, a forest, and there he starts getting new messages every single day while watching nature, while walking, while jogging, while watching sunrise, while watching setting sun, while strolling through beside trees, while spending more and more time in this lonely place where he had none. He was the only person. And then in a magical way, this guy starts getting the sutras and secrets of success, which he starts implementing in his life in a very gradual way, one step at a time. By the time the book ends, this guy has completely revamped his life. He has completely transformed his life. He has attained much bigger success and he is much happier person now than he was when he had his business. The message here is that whenever you are faced with storms in life, whenever you come across situations which are like hell bent on putting you down, these situations could have been created by nature. These situations could have been created by destiny, like we see in the days of Corona. These situations could have been created by some of the people around you. This also happens. This happens. These situations could have been created by anything and everything, but one thing and one power which nobody can snatch from you. This power you always have within you, and that power is to make a choice, to always stay positive, to always stay powerful, to always decide and choose to do something which will make your life better. It's possible. And this book has got a very nice quote. When the winds of change blow, some people build walls and others build windmills. When the winds of change blow, some people build walls and others build windmills. Now you have to decide whether you are a person who is going to build a wall so that you just keep yourself safe and you do not get affected by this wind of change. Wind of change has gone through. You can just get up from behind the wall and you again do the same thing which you have been doing in the past. That's one option. And the second option is for you to appreciate the fact that the very fact that this wind of change has come, the universe, the destiny, God has got some bigger things planned for you. And then instead of making a wall, you face the wind, create a windmill which will use the same power of wind energy and harness this power to give light, power, and energy, bigger energy to people around you. Now, this is a matter of mindset. This is a matter of mindset. And this is what exactly this person does. And this entire book of almost 350 pages is a thriller, is an absolute thriller which tells the story of this hero. Now he knows that he is a hero. Initially, he was a victim. But then once he decided not to play the victim card, not to behave or think or act like a victim, his entire life changed. Now, coming to the point with which we started this video. दोस्तों, जब मैंने किताब लिखी थी 2020 में, मुझे नहीं पता था कि इस किताब के मायने 2021 में और ज़्यादा बढ़ने जा रहे हैं. I knew that this book is going to get more and more audience, and I'm pretty sure that this book is going to be reaching out to hundreds and thousands and lakhs and millions of people. It's going to happen because this is an amazing book. This is an amazing book. But now when I see Corona 2021 coming in its 2.0 version, I know that this book is going to help millions of people. Anybody who has gone through Corona, anybody who has gone through the economic crisis which Corona has brought, must go through this book. Anybody who has gone through any kind of crisis which this COVID-19 pandemic has brought to him or her, must go through this book. This is going to make you correlate with your life. It's going to make you smile. It's going to make you look up and think, oh my God, all the powers were always within me. All the powers were always around me. But it's just that I had to develop the eyes and mindset to see all the resources which God has sent my way to make me a greater, better, and a stronger person.